as you are telling me, this is the whole view of the property. I can see it's very, very impressive. The view is so nice, and I like how cool the place is. So why should I consider this Sultan Palace as my new home?
As I said earlier, it's a serene area.
Yes.
It is quiet. It is secure. To add on that, Sultan Palace is one of the state-of-the-art projects that was done nicely. It is spacious. It has so many amenities. There's a swimming pool. We have a clubhouse.
Yes.
Actually, we have 3 swimming pools inside here. And for people who want to do, let's say, for investment purposes, you can able to buy and rent as a normal rental.
So for instance, let's say I buy it, but I don't want to stay here, I'll only be coming maybe once in a while for my holidays and my family. So will you be renting it out for me? Are you guys going to manage it out for me, or I have to be dealing with my own clients by myself? How does it go?
It's best that we collect the rent for you, because at the end of the day, we are managing the property for you, because we are liable. So when you miss out on the funds, then you can able to send the money. Internally, within the estate, there are children's play area. There's a restaurant within the clubhouse, so it's functional 24 hours, but only accessible to the ones who are living inside here, and probably your guests. Like if you have your guests coming in, then you can able to get access. To add more on that, we have Sun and Sun Beach, just close nearby here.
Yes.
It's also a beachfront. It has a good area for entertainment. People can go there, your kids can go there as well if they are not, if they actually, they want something more apart from what the estate is offering. And then as you walk around the estate as well, just behind here, we have a good place near the beach.
Yes.
So there's also entertainment there. You can able to do some fish there.
Today, I want to take you around to Montana Villa Apartments inside Sultan Palace in Kikambala. Follow me. This amazing house has an open kitchen. Open kitchen means there's a lot of intimacy. You can able to eat here while you're having your family there, you're having a discussion. The kitchen is well fitted. Yes. Fully equipped.
Fully equipped. Utensils, everything. There's a fridge, there's a microwave. I mean, it comes all fitted. Yes. So like for people who want to do maybe investment,
Yes.
you can able to buy one unit, do it for normal rental or do a furnished apartment.
How many bedrooms is the villa?
4-bedroom plus.
Bedroom.
There's some are 4-bedroom, others 4-bedroom with servant quarter. So these are community.
Yeah.
And we encourage people to live as a community. So to answer the question, if you have your privacy, yes, there's privacy. Because at the end of the day, you have your own gate, you have your own parking. Yeah. Probably as opposed to maybe the apartment where you share a corridor.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Actually, they are all in suit.
Yes.
That has fitted kitchen, fitted wardrobes. We have CCTV, it's installed there. We have Wi-Fi. I mean, it's amazing. So, and for instance, if someone wants to book the 2-bedroom apartment, like in the off-peak seasons,
Yes.
you can able to get 10,000 Kenyan shilling to 15,000.
That is per night?
Yeah, that's per
Wow.
night. And then on the long-term basis, maybe that's subject to discussion on how many months
Yes.
or years you want to take it. So they usually give you a discount. And then on peak seasons, like let's say the holiday seasons,
Yes.
we'll charge you around 20 to 25,000 Kenyan shilling.
Per night.
Yes. And you're able to access all these amenities that you can see here.
And then there's one question I forgot to ask. Do you have maybe a gym, a spa within the amenity?
We have a gym and a sauna.
So if I pay for the apartment,
Yes.
I'm free to access
Yeah,
the
you are
gym?
entitled to get those amenities.
Nice.
Yes, yes.
Wow. So this is the master.
Yes.
I really like it a lot. I love the painting. I love how it's arranged. I love how soft the mattress is. I love the view. So fantastic. So amazing. Now I know why you want me to consider Sultan Palace as my home. Yeah.
So as I told you earlier, as you've witnessed, this master bedroom is spacious. It has large fitted wardrobes, enough towels. There's an AC, there's an aircon, there's a fan here. Large windows as well. They open to the beachfront. The shower, it has a shower cubicle. Good space actually.
Yeah.
Then that is it. I mean,
So
it's a nice area.
impressive.
It's a good place to
very,
be.
very nice.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I agree. So how much do you charge this place per night? For instance, I want to book for maybe over the weekend, from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So how much per night?
The price varies.
Yes.
When we are doing off-peak, that is when there is low season,
Yes.
we do 10,000 to 15,000 Kenyan shilling.
Per night.
Yes.
Yes.
And when there's the peak season, we do 20 to 25,000 Kenyan shilling.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
And what about the long-term rates?
Long-term
Like
rate,
1
let's,
month?
let's say, okay, 1 month we still consider it short-term.
Yes.
But if you're taking 3 months and above,
Yes.
we give you a 40% discount on instant booking, that is.
Wow.
Yes.
you can contact Abu Alphon and make bookings with us. We have private villas, we have apartments, so you'll just enjoy the place. The place is so nice, it's very dope, and it's not even far from the main road. Thank you so much, my beautiful people, for joining me in this episode for the Sultan Palace edition. So as you could see, we've taken a walk around this specific apartment, and it's a 2-bedroom house, very spacious, Netflix, Wi-Fi, you have access to the beach, you have a view right from your bedrooms. We're not even talking about the living area only, but you'll have a beach view in the room. Very soft beds, very nice furnished, fully furnished, like you could do anything. You could cook, you could do whatever you want in the apartment. Yeah, so for me, I'd prefer taking, if I'll be coming on holiday, or if I'll be looking at investing in Sultan Palace, I think I'll definitely go for this specific apartment. It's very nice. The feeling here is totally different. For now, let me leave you with some videos and pictures of the entire property. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope we meet next again for another property show. Kindly keep watching, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.